Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the biosensors. Definition: a biosensor is an analytical device containing an immobilized biological material, enzyme, antibody, nucleic acid, hormone, organelle, or whole cell, which can specifically interact with an analyte and the product physical, chemical, or electrical signals that can be measured. An analyte is a compound, example glucose, urea, drug, pesticide, whose concentration has to be measured. Biosensors basically involve the quantitative analysis of various substances by converting their biological action into measurable signals. A great majority of biosensors have immobilized the enzyme. The performance of biosensor is mostly dependent on the specificity and sensitivity of the biological reaction beside the stability of the enzyme. The term is used in literature in many ways. Some definitions: first, a device used to measure biologically derived signals. Second, a device that senses using biomimetic imitative of life strategies. Example is artificial nose. Next, a device that detects the presence of biomolecule. A self-contained integrated device which is capable of providing specific quantitative or the semi-quantitative analytical information using a biological recognition element which is direct contact with a transducer element. Next is the use of biosensor. First, quality assurance in agriculture, food and pharmaceutical industries like E. coli, Salmonella are the some examples. Monitoring the environmental pollutant and the biological warfare agents. Some examples of these are the Bacillus anthracis, anthrax spores. Medical diagnosis examples like glucose, biological assays like DNA, microarray. Next is the classes of biosensor. First is catalytic biosensors, kinetic devices that measure the steady state concentration of a transducer detectable species formed lost due to a biocatalytic reaction. Monitor the quantities, rate of product formation, disappearance of a reactant, inhibition of a reactant. These are some monitored quantities. Next are the biocatalysts used for the catalytic biosensors are the enzymes, microorganisms, organelles, and the tissue samples. In today's class, I discuss about the first class of the catalytic biosensors, uses of biosensors, and about definitions there. Thank you for watching.